Find the value of x using log table. If 1.04 raised to x minus 1 divided by 0.04 is equal to 15.023. Now to solve this, write numerator as it is. Multiply these two. When you multiply this, so you'll get 0.60092. Okay, you are multiplying this with the calculator. Now take this minus 1 on the other side, so it will become plus 1. Now if you add this with the calculator, it will be 1.60092. Apply log on both the sides. Now go to log table. In that, see 16th 0 column. In mean difference you don't have 0, so go to 0th column. So you will get 0.2041 you'll get. Since there is a 1 here, so you should write a 0. Now for this you need to apply this formula, m raised to n, so it is n log m. So I am going to write x log 101.04 x into, now go to log table, there you see 10, 4th column, so you'll get 0.0170. Since there is a 1 here, so you need to write 0. I is equal to 0.2041. X is equal to, write this here, divided by this one, 0.0170. If you divide this with a calculator, you will get 12. Sometimes you will get 12.0058. Both are correct. I hope you understood this very well.